Hey all, how you doing? This is an unboxing for a Yokohama Advan RZ II. So careful there. We're going to show you here. This is what it's going to look like. It will be in this indigo blue color. Wait time for this was approximately 7.5 to 8 months. Ordered from Fidenza Performance out of Ohio at a really good price. And they came in as advertised. A little bit long, but my both wheels in the past taken 11 months during COVID, so to be expected on these custom offset wheels, which you'll see here. We have 18 by 10.5, 114.3 PCD. These are for a Evo IX MR, which is going converted into a Voltex kit track car. You can actually see it right out there. Here's Austin. You see my BMW M2 and the Evo being built outside. He's a little curious himself. Let's see if we can get this in. This is real time. Real time. We haven't messed around with any of this. We just got here. FedEx guy is a really cool guy. On Sundays. These wheels are probably around $2,500 for a set of 4. Not the cheapest wheels. These are not the forge wheels. These are cast flow formed. So one step beneath, but good enough for a race car. Goodness. Can't describe the look of these in person. My goodness, look at that. What a deep blue. Get a little bit of the diamond finish around the lip, and with the Advan Racing force flow forming on the bottom here, Japan made. Then these are cast formed, right? They're cast formed. One set being forged. Forged wheels would have probably been around $5,000, and honestly, I'd rather just upgrade the turbo for that. Got a little manual. Look in here. Looks like the kind enough to send you a valve. Matches the color. Separately, they sell the centers for these in different heights. I have already ordered those through RHD Japan. They already came in months ahead of time, so these are going to fit a 295 square setup on this Evo that you see right out here. On stock brakes, about 400 horsepower at the moment. Engine to be built in 2025 to about 600 plus. It's going to be my attempt at a Porsche killer, which the M2 competition already fairly capable to hang with all the RSs. So yeah, pretty cool wheel. I'll be honest with you guys, I have a GO25 Raise wheel, which if you look on my channel, I've done a review in the past. Be honest guys, I think Advan wheels might be the top wheel in Japan. I know that Raise sponsors the Toyota Gazoo racing team in Le Mans. Great wheel, very light, stout, but the fit and finish on this wheel and the concavity and the aggressiveness of this wheel at this price point, and this wheel weighs about similar to what a forged wheel would do at this weight. Obviously, an Advan forged wheel is going to be about 2 to 3 pounds lighter rotating mass. This might be the best bang for your buck on non-T37 JDM wheels for something that's going to be a showstopper, like a monster track car or something like that, right? You gotta spend money to play, right? So yeah, cool wheel. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll be posting some follow-up videos later on.